Credit card offers are invitations from credit card issuers to apply for a new card. You may receive these offers in the mail, online, or through other channels. Credit card offers are based on your credit profile, which is a summary of your credit history, credit score, income, and other factors. Credit card issuers use your credit profile to determine your eligibility and interest rate for their cards. Credit card offers may affect your credit score in two ways: when you receive them and when you respond to them. When you receive a credit card offer, it means that the issuer has performed a soft inquiry on your credit report. A soft inquiry does not affect your credit score, but it may show up on your credit report as an indication of interest from a potential lender. When you respond to a credit card offer, it means that you are applying for a new card. This triggers a hard inquiry on your credit report, which may lower your credit score by a few points. A hard inquiry also stays on your credit report for 2 years, but it only affects your score for 1 year. The impact of a hard inquiry depends on how many inquiries you have, how recent they are, and how much credit you already have. The good news is that applying for a new credit card can also benefit your credit score in the long run. If you get approved for the card, you will increase your available credit, which can lower your credit utilization ratio. This is the percentage of your total credit that you are using, and it is one of the most important factors in your credit score. A lower utilization ratio means that you are managing your debt well and not maxing out your cards. Another benefit of applying for a new credit card is that you can diversify your credit mix. This is the variety of credit accounts that you have, such as loans and cards. Having a diverse credit mix shows that you can handle different types of debt responsibly, which can boost your credit score. However, applying for a new credit card also comes with some risks. If you get rejected for the card, you will have a hard inquiry on your report without any positive outcome. This can hurt your chances of getting approved for other cards or loans in the future. If you get approved for the card but use it irresponsibly, you may end up with high balances, late payments, or fees. These can damage your credit score and cost you money in interest charges. Therefore, before you respond to a credit card offer, you should consider some factors such as: do you need a new credit card? If you already have enough cards for your needs and goals, adding another one may not be necessary or beneficial. How does the offer compare to other cards? You should compare the interest rate, fees, rewards, and benefits of the offer to other cards that suit your spending habits and preferences. How will the offer affect your credit score? You should check your current credit score and report to see how many inquiries you have and how much available credit you have. You should also estimate how much the offer will lower your score and how long it will take to recover. Can you afford to pay off the balance every month? You should only apply for a new credit card if you can pay off the balance in full every month. Otherwise, you will incur interest charges that will outweigh any rewards or benefits. By following these steps, you can make an informed decision about whether to reject or accept a credit card offer without hurting your credit score. Before you reject a credit card offer, it is a good idea to check your credit report and score. Your credit report is a record of your financial history, and your credit score is a number that reflects your creditworthiness. Checking your credit report and score can help you understand your current credit situation and how rejecting an offer may affect it. There are different ways to check your credit report and score. One way is to request a free copy of your credit report from each of the 3 major credit reporting agencies: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. You can do this once every 12 months through annualcreditreport.com, by calling 1-877-322-8228, or by mailing a request form. This will give you access to the most comprehensive and accurate information on your credit history. Another way to check your credit report and score is to use a free credit monitoring service, such as MSE Credit Club, ClearScore, or Credit Karma. These services can provide you with regular updates on your credit report and score, as well as alerts on any changes or potential fraud. However, They may not include all the information from your credit report or use the same scoring model as lenders. A third way to check your credit score is to look at your credit card or loan statements. Some credit card companies, banks, and loan providers offer their customers free access to their credit score online or on their statements. This can give you a quick snapshot of your credit health, but it may not be the same score that lenders use when evaluating your application. It is important to check your credit report and score from a reliable source and to review them carefully for any errors or discrepancies. If you find any mistakes on your credit report, you should dispute them with the credit reporting agency as soon as possible. If you have any questions or concerns about your credit score, you can talk to a credit or housing counselor for advice. Checking your credit report and score before rejecting an offer can help you make an informed decision and avoid hurting your credit score. Rejecting an offer may lower your credit score temporarily if it results in a hard inquiry on your credit report. A hard inquiry occurs when a lender checks your credit report as part of the application process. However, not all offers result in a hard inquiry, and the impact of a hard inquiry usually fades over time. To minimize the effect of rejecting an offer on your credit score, you should only apply for offers that you are interested in and that match your credit profile. You should also avoid applying for too many offers in a short period of time, as this can signal that you are desperate for credit. Finally, you should maintain good credit habits, such as paying your bills on time, keeping your balances low, and using different types of credit responsibly. Sometimes you may receive a credit card offer that you are not interested in. Maybe you already have enough cards, or you don't like the terms and fees of the offer. Whatever the reason, you may want to decline the offer without hurting your credit score or your relationship with the issuer. The good news is that you can do that politely and effectively by following these steps. Thank the issuer for the offer. Express your appreciation for their interest in you as a customer and acknowledge their efforts to provide you with a good deal. Explain why you are declining the offer. Be honest and respectful about your reasons for rejecting the offer. For example, you can say that you are happy with your current cards, or that you are not looking for a new card at the moment, or that you have other financial priorities right now. Ask them to stop sending you offers. If you don't want to receive any more offers from the issuer, you can request them to remove you from their mailing list. You can also opt out of receiving pre-approved offers from all issuers by visiting www.optoutprescreen.com or calling 1-888-5-OPT-OUT. End the conversation on a positive note. Thank them again for their time and consideration and wish them well.